welcome back. It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day and a beautiful week to freaking have a beautiful week. I'm going to school. It's Monday. I'm ready. Here's my cute outfit. I'm wearing boots. However, I'm carrying flat clothes. My thighs have been aching, so let's go before I run late. And let's see what this week has in store for us. Let's go. We're done for the day. Hello, I am home. It is 7:10. Today I arrived relatively late. It literally arrived a few minutes ago. I want to take a quick cold shower and then I'm gonna get into something warm and relax. I got socks in town because my socks mysteriously disappear. So got these three and new socks. I love socks. So let me shower. Hello. Today's Tuesday. All my classes got pushed to online, thank goodness, because my stomach is has been acting up. So right now I'm about to join another class, the third class of the day. I am quite exhausted. It's only 2 p.m. and I'm on my third class of the day, and after this I have 2 more left. Like from this one I have like 3 more classes, all 1 hour. This one, another one, and another one. So 3 more hours of school, but I have showered, I smell good, I feel better. So yeah, that's the update. Okay, so this class is over. As you saw, I did a bit of laundry. Now I want to fold the laundry I brought in last week. Was it last week? Oh my goodness, yeah, I brought it in on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, so I want to fold it and put it in my wardrobe while I wait for the next class to start. It's currently 4, 1 more class to go and I'll be done for the day. I am starving. I want to eat after the classes, so yeah. This is the laundry. It's not a lot, but it's also not like little. It's kind of like medium. The one I've done, it's like half of this, so yeah. I am trying to stay ahead of my laundry so it does not pile up, so I feel good. Good morning, beautiful people. I missed vlogging. Yesterday was insane. Yesterday was Thursday. I didn't really vlog much. On Wednesday, I really tried to show you what I was up to. Just give me a moment. I'm getting ready to get to school. I look like how this thing is tied it to sleep. I am trying to plan out my outfit. I want to wear this green sweater and I want to tie my hair with one of these. So I'm doing a bit of color coding. I really want this colorful one because I really want color today. I'm wearing green pants is a gray suit pants. Actually, it has a blazer. I don't know what it is. And what else did I want to say? I don't remember. Shoes. Okay, these are not all the shoes I own, but they're the ones I took out because I wear these a lot. I'm thinking of wearing either these or these. We're gonna see. I am done getting ready. I think the outfit sounds already cute actually. I ended up going with the black one and tying it behind. I initially wanted to let it down and then put the headband here, but oh well. The sweater and the pants looks good. And today I have layered these two perfumes together, Musuf and Bloom. Is it okay if I call you my pride, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bitch. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, bitch. I know you want to shoot it really bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ride the top. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And the name ain't begging, but she a stallion. You know I hold the valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride in the sneakers.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Can we get away? Wanna hold your hand. I really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Hi. How you doing? You're still here. I am impressed. I mean, the video is only like 8 minutes long, so of course you're still here. So thank you. It's Friday evening. Just took my shower.
It's like 6, I think, or 5. Yeah, between 6 or 5. But yeah. I low-key like this hairstyle. Hello. Can you see me? Am I in the center? Am I the center of your world? Am I the center of attraction? Okay, let me just confirm. Hi. I really hope for the love of me that I am actually in the center. This has got to be one of the messiest vlogs we have ever had in terms of coordination. There's someone parking. Okay, yeah, this vlog, it was so weird because like in one day I would only like vlog 3 things and then we move on to the next. Let me just be honest with you guys, I am struggling. I am really struggling mentally, emotionally, physically, psychologically, everything that ends with Lee. And it's just been a bit hard to show up as the best version of myself when it comes to content creation, and it sucks. For Instagram, I can say I can get away with it because I have some pre-recorded or pre-planned content, and that is why I love pre-shooting things, because if I hadn't, I wouldn't have anything for Instagram as well. I don't know, I just felt like I needed to let you know because I know you guys love watching my videos, and I genuinely love and enjoy making these videos for you, and I wouldn't want you to feel like I'm neglecting you or anything. At this point, me and you, we're tight, we're friends. Okay, so that is basically what has been going on, and it's a bit funny because sometimes you really can't pinpoint the exact time when you started feeling however or the way you're feeling, and I don't like that. Anyways, it's been a couple of weeks now, and I don't like it. But anyways, there's an episode that, okay, on the podcast we had a new episode go up on Wednesday, which was the day before yesterday. It's called 3 a.m. Thoughts, and I think in order for you to understand what I am actually talking about, you need to listen to that podcast, and I guarantee you will like it. If you like my content, you will like that podcast. It's just being raw about mental health and mixing it with being a Christian. As we all know, I am a devout Christian. I'm a Christian, and the goal is to eventually lead a life that Christ would have led. That makes sense. So yeah, it was a very interesting talk to have on there, and a couple of you actually told me that, well, I don't know if you have listened to the podcast, but some people who have told me that it was quite accurate to what they were feeling or what they were going through. And so I feel like if it was accurate for them, chances are it's also going to be accurate for you, so you might as well check it out. Trying to find new ways to play around with this hair because it's quite little in my head. Like the braid we use is not the one that puffs up, and I have a round head, so if I do this, you can see my round face, but I'm low-key tempted to do so and wear it with hoop earrings. It doesn't look so bad, but like when I pat half of it on this side, it kind of looks good, but when I do this, we're back to the round face head, and I don't really like it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to come here and talk to you about before I end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, kindly comment podcast, I know, and check out the link to the podcast down in the description and also in the pinned comment section. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.